The VPN space is more competitive than ever these days. With so many options out there, some offering flashy features, others cutting corners, it can be hard to tell which providers are actually worth your time, money, and trust. So in today's video, I'm ranking the top 5 VPNs based on real-world testing, security performance, usability, and overall value. For each one, I'll break down what it is, the key features you actually need to know, pricing and plan options, and how they each stack up comparatively. Let's get into it. Starting off with number 1, which is NordVPN. And this definitely takes the top spot this year. It's not just the hype, it's one of the most complete VPNs available, combining top-tier speed, serious security, and smart features that actually make your online life better. First off, it's a privacy-focused VPN based in Panama, a country with strong privacy laws and no data retention requirements. That means NordVPN isn't legally required to track or store anything you do online. It uses strong AES 256 encryption, the same kind that banks and governments use, and offer specialty servers for extra secure tasks like double encryption, anonymous browsing, and safe file sharing. One of the biggest standouts is NordLynx, NordVPN's custom protocol built on WireGuard. Here's a translation. It's super crazy fast, whether you're streaming, gaming, or downloading large files. It delivers smooth, buffer-free performance without compromising security. Another feature worth highlighting is the threat protection. Even when the VPN is turned off, it can block ads, trackers, and malicious websites in the background, which just keeps you protected 24/7 without lifting a finger. The app itself is clean, fast, and works across pretty much everything: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and even your router. You can connect up to 6 devices at once with one account. NordVPN also backs up its privacy claims with real receipts. It's passed multiple independent audits that verify its strict no logs policy. That kind of transparency just builds trust, especially in a space where a lot of providers make big claims without the proof. So I just wanted to quickly show you the different plans and pricing options so you're aware. If you want to get the best price possible, make sure you use the link in the description and make sure you're clicking the 2-year plans. That's how you are going to save the most. The basic plan is just $2.98 per month. And with this, you get 4 extra months free, and you get the secure high-speed VPN, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee for all of these. In the Plus plan, you can save 74%, and this is just $385 per month, and you get 4 extra months for free. And with this, you also get the Threat Protection Pro and Password Manager. Next is the Complete plan, and this is $481 per month, and you get those 4 extra months for free. And with this, you get 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage and everything in the Plus plan. Lastly is the Prime plan, and you can save 78% with the 2-year plan, and this is just $674 per month plus the 4 extra months free. You get everything in the Complete plan, but you also get the Nord Protect. So if you want to check them out and make sure you're getting the best price possible, use our exclusive link in the description below. Okay, coming in at number 2 is Surfshark. And if you're looking for the best bang for your buck, this one is tough to beat. It's owned by the same parent company as NordVPN, but it definitely is a little bit different, especially when it comes to flexibility and family use. One of the biggest strengths is the unlimited device connections under one account. That means you can protect your phone, laptop, tablet, smart TV, even your siblings or parents' devices, all without paying extra. It really is a game changer for households or anyone juggling a ton of tech. Under the hood, Surfshark uses AES 256 encryption, which is the same high-level protection used by government and banks. This scrambles your data so no one, not your internet provider, hackers, or advertisers can read it. It also supports WireGuard and OpenVPN, which are secure tunnels that send your data safely across the internet without slowing things down. And Surfshark goes beyond the basics. Its clean web features blocks ads, trackers, and sketchy websites before they even load. So if you've ever had an ad follow you around after visiting a website, this helps stop that nonsense before it even starts. For added privacy, multi-hop sends your internet traffic through 2 different countries, making it even harder for anyone to trace where you're browsing from. It's like using 2 disguises instead of 1. It also offers GPS spoofing on Android, which is useful if you want to keep your real location private, and rotating IP addresses, which regularly switches your online identity, so you're just harder to track. Despite all these tools, the app is clean and easy to use whether you're a total beginner or a privacy pro. Surfshark also uses RAM-only servers, meaning nothing is ever written to a hard drive and every piece of data is wiped clean every time the server restarts. That honestly is just next level privacy. Surfshark is fast, affordable, and packed with smart features that solve real digital privacy issues without making things complicated. Let's quickly go over the different pricing and plan options. So they've got a couple here, and again, to make sure you're getting the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description. Again, make sure you are signing up for the longer term plan. So these are the 24-month plans, but you can pay month by month, but you're just going to pay more. So they've got 3 options here. They've got the Surfshark Starter, the Surfshark 1, and the 1 Plus. With the Surfshark Starter, you can save 87% and just pay $199 per month and get 3 extra months free. You get the VPN and alternative ID. With Surfshark 1, it's just $2.49 per month, and you get the 3 extra months free. You get everything in the starter, plus antivirus, alert, and search. Lastly is the Surfshark 1 Plus, which is $3.99 per month, plus 3 extra months free. You get everything in the Surfshark 1 plan. You also get the data removal by Incogni, which is an added bonus. So again, figure out the plan that works best for you and what your needs are. And they also do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out. And if before the 30 days are up, you don't feel like it's the best fit for you, you can get your money back, which is awesome. Now, the third spot is Proton VPN. And it's a service that's built around one mission, which is privacy. It's developed by the same team behind Proton Mail, and everything about it is designed to keep your data secure, transparent, and out of the hands of surveillance companies or governments. Proton VPN is based in Switzerland, which is a country known for its strong privacy laws, and the company backs that up with open source code, regular security audits, and a strict no logs policy. You don't have to trust what they say, you can actually verify it. The feature here cater heavily to privacy enthusiasts. You get secure core servers, which route your traffic through multiple hardened data centers before reaching the open internet. There's also support for Tor over VPN, NetShield malware, and ad blocking, and an excellent kill switch to prevent leaks if your connection drops. While it's not quite as fast as NordVPN or Surfshark, the speeds are still more than good enough for everyday use. And Proton has made significant performance improvements in the last year. Streaming support is available, although it's not always as consistent for accessing niche or international libraries. But one of the best parts about Proton VPN is that it offers a legit free version with no ads, no speed throttling, and decent server options. Of course, the paid plans unlock much more, including full access to secure core, streaming servers, and advanced privacy features. Let's take a look at the different pricing and plan options. I've left that link in the description below if you want to check them out yourself, but here you can see they have a couple different options here, and they only have one specific plan, but it just depends on how long of a contract you would like to sign up for. So first off, they've got the 1 month, which is $9.99 per month. Next is the 12-month plan, and you can save 60% off, which brings it to just $3.99 per month. Lastly, and the best deal possible, is the 24-month, which saves you 64% off, which brings it to just $3.59 per month. The cool part about Proton VPN is they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So again, if before the 30 days are up, you don't feel like it's the best fit for you, you can get your money back. Yeah, they also do have the free plan, like I mentioned, so you can just get a free VPN, no ads, and you can go ahead and download it. And again, if you want to check them out, I've left that link in the description for you. Okay, at number 4 is ExpressVPN, and this is just a household name in the VPN space, known for its ease of use, strong encryption, and consistently good performance across platforms. ExpressVPN has always marketed itself as the VPN for everyone, and that still holds true this year. It's one of the easiest apps to set up and use, and it works great across all platforms, especially on routers and smart TVs, where other VPNs sometimes struggle. Security-wise, ExpressVPN is one of the first to adopt RAM-only servers through their trusted server technology. They do use AES 256 encryption and have passed independent audits confirming their no logs claims. Their lightweight protocol is also fast and efficient, delivering good speeds with low battery usage on mobile devices. ExpressVPN includes a threat manager that blocks trackers and suspicious websites, and recently introduced a password manager to expand its privacy offering. That being said, this password tool is still in the early stages and not integrated into the VPN app itself. Here's where ExpressVPN starts to fall behind. The feature set is limited compared to competitors. There's no multi-hop, no built-in ad blocker, and the price is significantly higher than Surfshark or even NordVPN. Also, the company is owned by Cape Technologies, which has a mixed reputation in the privacy world, and the server count is no longer publicly disclosed. But if you do want to check them out, I've left the link in the description, and I just wanted to show you the different plan options. Okay, so they've got a couple different options here. If you just want to pay month by month, it's $12.95 95 cents per month. You get the VPN, you get the ad blocker, the tracker blocker, and the password manager. Then they have the 12-month plan plus 3 months free, and you can save 48%. And with this plan, you get the VPN, an ad blocker, everything that's in the 1-month plan, but you also get the 1 million ID theft insurance and the credit scanner. Next is the 2-year plan, and you get 4 months free, and you can save 61%, and this is $4.99. You get everything in the 12-month plan, but you also get the monthly credit report and the data removal. Again, if you want to make sure you're getting the best price possible, use those links in the description and check them out yourself. And again, ExpressVPN also has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Rounding out the top 5 is Cyberghost, a veteran VPN that's great for beginners and casual users, but has fallen a bit behind in recent years. Cyberghost is based in Romania, which is outside of the major surveillance alliances, and offers a clear no logs policy that has been independently audited. It has one of the largest server networks in the industry with thousands of options across dozens of countries. That does sound impressive, and it is, but quantity doesn't always equal quality. In testing, Cyberghost still performs well for nearby connections, basic streaming, and casual browsing. The app is beginner friendly and offers pre-labeled servers for streaming, torrenting, and gaming, so you don't have to guess which one to use. But lately, the performance has been inconsistent. Speeds have dropped, Mac users have reported bugs, and the company has stopped disclosing its total server count. Like ExpressVPN, Cyberghost is also owned by Cape Technologies, which has a complicated past when it comes to privacy and transparency. While that doesn't mean it's unsafe, it's just something to be aware of, especially if privacy is a major reason you're using a VPN. Okay, so just wanted to quickly show you the different pricing and plan options. So they've got 1 month, which is $12.99 per month. They've got 6 months, which is $6.99 per month. And if you want to get the best price possible, you'll want to sign up for the 2-year plus 4 months. And that comes to just $2.03 per month, and you're saving about 84%. So for the 1-month plan, they have a 14-day money-back guarantee. And for the 6 months and 2-year plan, they have a 40-day money-back guarantee. So again, all of these VPNs you can try risk-free, see which one's the best fit for you. The best VPNs aren't just about hiding your IP, they're about speed, trust, transparency, and whether or not they actually deliver on what they promise. If you want the best all-around experience, NordVPN is still the one to beat. Surfshark follows close behind with unbeatable value and unlimited devices. Proton stands out for its privacy, and ExpressVPN remains a reliable choice for beginners, though it's not as feature-rich as it once was. If you want to get started with any of these, I've left all the links in the description for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.